Alright, let's try this one more time. Interrupted by a phone call. This is a 24 scale Ford, or 1999 Ford F-250 crew cab, Harley Davidson edition. There you go. Harley Davidson edition. Brookfield Collectors Guild puts these out. It actually comes with a little motorcycle that goes in the back of it. Actually, a pretty cool little model. My customer sent it to me, so I really don't have any kind of history on the model, or the company or model. First time I've even seen one from Brookfield actually have it in my hand. So here's what it is. It is a true 24 scale model. A lot of times they'll might list them as a 24th, end up being like a 26th or 27th scale. As you can see, this one's nice and beefy, so we're going to go 24th on it. Again, as detailed and nice looking of a model as it is outside, except for my fingerprints all over the windshield, it's fairly decent. No opening features at all. The hood, doors, nothing opens on it. So it is what it is, but it's still a decent looking model if you want something to set on a shelf for some little kid to play with. The mirrors will probably break off fairly easily, but other than that, pretty cool. This one is set up similar to the red one, St. Louis one that you guys saw. You guys and girls, you viewers, saw on my YouTube channel about a week ago. St. Louis Fire Department Service Manager. This one here will have the decals removed on the side, and I have no idea what my customer is doing with it, but I know he said the Harley Davidson stuff was coming off, because he said I could keep the motorcycle. Yay. Battery is located in the back of this one. If you're wondering what this is, it's the little tie down and bungee strap for the little motorcycle that goes in the back. So that's kind of cool that there's actually a little tie down and stuff for the bike. Kind of neat. So anyway, I left that in there. It'll pop right out, as a matter of fact, if your customer wants it out. Anyway, I got it out pretty easily before, but anyway, it pops out. Everything else was left alone on the car. 2 switches underneath for the siren here, and then this one, main power switch for the lighting. Flashing headlights, grille lights, red strobe light bar, and strobe tail lights on this one. Customer asked for simultaneously flashing high beams. That's what we have in this thing. Got one of my little flasher boards hooked to those, so they flash at the same time. Grille strobes are triple strobe wig-wag. My camera doesn't show that very well, but trust me. And here you have blue or a red strobe light bar. I think I might have said blue grille strobes. Anyway, red strobe grille, blue red strobe light bar. Kind of neat the way that actually has like little cab lights on the roof here. If you hold it just right, you can see them that they're orange, but in person, the camera doesn't detect it very well. It actually looks like they're flashing red inside them, so it kind of looks kind of cool. It picks up light from the light bar. You can't really see it at any angle, but anyway, in person you can. Tail lights on this one, same setup as the grill. Triple strobe wig-wag flash pattern, simultaneous flash. Each side there is a triple flash, triple strobe. You don't even see it. So anyway, there you go. I appreciate the order. We'll get this shipped out to you tomorrow, and you can do what you need to do to see my wire debacle I had earlier. Yep. I forget how many feet of wire. I think it's 1,000 feet. 1,000 feet? I think it is. Which would be why it's 30 gauge and 1,000. So that's 1,000, might be 1,000 feet. Anyway, I think it is. And one strand of it come off the bottom. It's a new roll. One strand came off the bottom of it, and it blew up. So I'm fighting with that stupid thing. It's like a bad cast with a fake caster, right? Anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order. And like I said, I'll get this out to you tomorrow and fix my wire issue here in just a second. Thanks again.